Welcome to Romania, or Romania in your face. Romania blast off time. Love some Romania. What up, internet? What up, camera? What up, everyone? My wife Holly. I'm Jives. Bumbling tourist.
Okay, this is our train adventure.
We get to have our own compartment after about an hour and a half of standing. Well, hour one.
I was standing in the hallway for like an hour. It was crazy.
But now we can get beers.
Pretty awesome, Romania. Thanks for the train ride. We're in our hotel room in Sighisoara. We were at the opposite end of the platform as most of the people.
Enjoying mulled wine.
Yeah, hot wine is the way to go. Anyway, it was a really short train, so it pulled up to the other end. A whole bunch of people got on before us. Every car was full of people.
We had to stand cramped in this tiny hallway of the train,
Yeah.
beside all the people sitting in comfy chairs, enjoying their snacks.
There wouldn't be enough room for like my feet to go like this, just like one foot and a little bit.
And then as the ticket lady came by, she had to like full-on body hug this guy to get down the hall.
This guy.
No, you were facing forward. The other guy chose to be backwards.
Mm.
He was like up against the window like this, and the ticket lady had to shimmy by.
And we got there at night. It was dark, so we didn't know entirely what we were getting into.
And we've made it to Sighisoara. Oh, holy crap. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh wow. That ceiling too. Look at this fun time bath zone.
I know I should have dressed up, but no. You get sweat. So, full block.
Figured.
You're gonna need this one.
You can't miss those though. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Is your head banging while you're going to the bathroom?
Yeah, that's how I do it. I can't get over this.
Wandered around the dark streets.
We saw a lot of cool things we wanted to go back to and explore the next day.
Yeah.
And the sun was up.
Sighisoara is the birthplace of Vlad Tepes, or Vlad the Impaler, the inspiration to the novella Dracula. And yeah, he was born here, specifically in the spot where we ate dinner.
So you can pay an entrance fee and go see the spot that Vlad Tepes was born, but it's probably not the spot he was born. Or you can pay a little bit more and get a slightly overpriced meal. That's really delicious. But yeah, it was worth it for sure. One of the last restaurants we could find in the old city center that was open, so it was worth saying we've been to that spot, even though that's a little bit tacular.
I really, really enjoyed that. You liked yours? Yeah, I enjoyed your sausage. This room's really cool too. So, I have here a Brasov beer that comes in a 1 liter plastic jug. Yeah, I'll try this out. It's a picture of a deer. I like the one with a picture of a bear. Did you like the deer with a bear? That's not a bear, that's a deer.
It's not a bear, it's a beer.
It's a bear, it's not a bear, that's a deer.
How is it?
It's not great. It tastes like cheap beer, but that's what I was in the market for, so thumbs up.
Thank you so much for watching. We've been the Bumbling Tourist.
Oh.
I think our whole lives. Before we even knew it.
Yeah. Born by Bumbles.
Yeah.
Molded by Bumbles.
Please subscribe to our channel. We've got 2 channels now. Bumbling Tourist and Jives Time, which is where I'll be putting more music videos and things. But the travel vlogs will
The
be on.
bumbliness.
Yeah,
will be
the true bumbling styles will be on Bumbling Tourist. So
Oh,
please
yeah,
subscribe to at least one of those things.
Or whatever.
It would be pretty awesome if you did.
Eh.
YouTube style. Well, you're a little more plastic. I'm begging.
We're not in the business of strong-arming anyone into anything they don't want to do.
Yeah. My mom subscribed.
Yeah. If it's good enough for your mom, then it's good enough for everyone else.
It would also be pretty dope if you liked the video. But only if you liked the video.
If you didn't like it, you should probably like it too.
Yeah, you know what? Like the video. Especially if you don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
That'll show us.
Just flip the screen off with your middle finger and use that middle finger to hit the like button.
Tune in next time for even more Sighisoara.
Sighisoara for days.
Yeah, we really liked it there. And we filmed a lot because it's beautiful. So we've got a lot to show you over the next few
There might
videos.
even be a whole video about one tower.
Yeah.
So get excited for that.
Yeah. Dope, y'all.
Brick by brick.
Kablamo. Peace out!
Boop.